Coming to MITRE ATT&CK framework. In a cybersecurity environment, we experience a lot of attacks. And if we have to defend against attacks properly, we have to understand the attacks first. So we have to understand what are the different stages associated with each attack. And we also have to understand what is happening at each stage of the attack. How can we detect attacks? What activities are happening in each stage of the attack? Understanding these things are very essential to counter any attacks in a cybersecurity environment. So there are many attack frameworks available, and one of the most commonly followed attack framework in a cybersecurity environment is the MITRE framework. MITRE is a non-profit organization, and they are concerned with cybersecurity. They have many documentations related to cybersecurity, and they have the MITRE ATT&CK framework. So it is something any security professional has to know about. So this is what we have to cover. For additional concepts, please contact our team at Academy.